Hey there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and I am here to encourage you and motivate you to eat and cook just a little bit healthier. I have not always been a healthy eater. My husband almost died from a heart attack 10 years ago, and I started changing what we were eating, and I noticed that it worked. My husband has actually completely reversed the damage to his heart, and we did it mostly through the foods that we eat. So I decided 8 years ago to start helping people do the same. I want to bring more awareness around the power that food has on our health. Today, I want to talk to you about chia seeds. I'm sure you've heard of them, but are you actually eating them? I don't want you to be scared of them. I want to educate you on the ways that you can use them in your kitchen so you don't have to be scared of them or think that they're silly or think that it's just a fad. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. But here's a little tip when you are making something with chias, like let's say you're making chia pudding or you're putting chia seeds in a smoothie. You want to not consume it right away. Chia seeds are very dense and they need time to chill out. So when you put them in a smoothie or make chia pudding, the liquid that you're putting in that recipe is going to help relax those chia seeds so that when you consume them, you can absorb the nutrients. If you put chia seeds in a smoothie and eat it right away, you're just pooping chia seeds. So be sure to let them sit. So after I make my smoothie, I just stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes and go do what I need to do, start a load of laundry, go shower, whatever it is. And then I come and consume it. So that will help you absorb more nutrients. Now, speaking of nutrients, chia seeds have a ton of protein. They have a lot of antioxidants. They're way high on the antioxidant list. What's an antioxidant, Shelly? Antioxidants are in plant-based foods that go in our body and they help rebuild all the damage we've done. So they help fight the free radicals in our body. They help rebuild our cells to be healthy and strong. We're producing new cells every day, all day, and we need them to be strong and healthy. Antioxidant-rich foods help our cells do that. Chia seeds are high in calcium, so that is really good for our bone health. I get asked all the time, hey, Shelly, if I'm not going to drink dairy or drink milk, how can I get my calcium? Chia seeds are a great form of calcium. There are other forms, but chia seeds is a great source of calcium. They also have fiber. You know, one of my favorite topics. I talk about fiber a lot. If we could get fiber at every meal, we would be a lot better off. Speaking of fiber at every meal, I have this wonderful cookbook called What's on Your Fork over here behind me. And every recipe in there tells you its source of fiber. I think fiber is super important in our digestion, and chia seeds are no exception. Chia seeds are also a form of healthy fat. I talk about healthy fat a lot as well. Healthy fat is going to help feed our brain the nutrients that it needs. Our brains are made of fat, so we have to feed it healthy fat. If you have any questions, comment below, and I want to thank you for watching my videos. Be sure to subscribe if you need some inspiration around healthy eating and cooking.